Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix Vcruntime140 Dell missing error. Download link will be given in the video description box. Download the file according to your operating system. Extract the file. Then copy the file. Paste the copied file here. Then copy the file. Open this PC. Then click Local Disk C. Click Windows. Then open System32 folder. Paste the copied file here. Then select Replace the file. Click Back. Then open systems.Works. Paste the copied file here. Now right click on the application that has this problem. Select Properties. Then click Open File Location. Paste the copied file here. Click Apply and OK. Thanks for watching.